Welcome to our presentation. Are you ready to elevate your financial journey? At IQ Tradex, we are a team of seasoned trading professionals dedicated to delivering exceptional results for our clients. About our company. At IQ Tradex ID, we are a team of seasoned trading professionals dedicated to delivering exceptional results for our clients. With a focus on transparency, integrity, and performance, we manage investor funds with the utmost care and precision. Our approach combines cutting-edge technology with deep market insights to capitalize on opportunities across global financial markets. We prioritize long-term sustainable growth and prioritize the trust and satisfaction of our clients above all else. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth or diversify your investment portfolio, IQ Tradex ID is your trusted partner on the path to financial success. Bright future with experts. Experience and expertise. Experienced team. Our team comprises professionals with many years of experience in the financial markets. Deep market insights. Our experts have the ability to understand trends and opportunities in global financial markets. Transparency and integrity. Transparent processes. We operate with complete transparency to build trust with our clients. Integrity. Integrity and honesty are our top priorities in all our dealings. Cutting-edge technology. Advanced trading. We provide trading platforms that utilize the latest technology, AI, and expert assistance. Our approach is based on artificial intelligence and financial experts to achieve the best results. Client services. Customer support. Our team is always ready to assist you. Personalized guidance. Our experts provide personalized guidance for your financial strategies. Ease and convenience. Our platform is extremely user-friendly and convenient to use. Trade with a regulated broker. IQ Tradex trades your investment with top regulated global brokers to generate daily profits based on your investment amount. With just 1% risk of loss, you receive profit every day in a secure and automated way. We work with trusted brokers like Exness, XM, FBS, FX Pro, Pepperstone, OctaFX, and more, ensuring your funds are safe and returns are consistent. Let your money work smarter, not harder. IQ Tradex, where trust meets profit. IQ Tradex, mission and vision. Mission. Our mission is to provide people with a secure and reliable business opportunity where they can invest with confidence and grow financially. Vision. We aim to build a strong, supportive community where everyone helps each other and grows together, creating wealth and success for all. Platform purpose. The platform is designed to help investors generate easy, secure, and consistent profits through smart trading with regulated brokers. Why choose us? Do you want your investment to be safe, modern, and profitable? Then let's find out why IQ Tradex is the best choice for you. Advanced management, transparent investment management under expert supervision. Expert-guided trading, connect with global brokers through experienced professionals. Registered brokers. Our partners include trusted names like Exness, FBS, and IC Markets. Secure investment, safety at every step, confidence in every profit. Technological advantage, benefit from fast and automated trading systems. Quick profits and withdrawals. Earning profit is easy, and withdrawing is even easier. So what are you waiting for? Visit us today at www.iqtradex.com and secure a brighter future for your investment. Package plan. IQ Tradex offers a secure and simple investment plan where you earn a fixed daily return of 1% for 200 days, giving you a total return of 2x on your investment. Packages start from just $50 and go up to $10,000, making it easy for everyone to participate. For example, if you choose the interns package with $50, you'll receive $0.50 daily and a total of $100 in 200 days. With the elite package of $100, you earn $1 daily, totaling $200. The master package offers $2 daily on a $200 investment, returning $400 overall. If you go with the top-tier package at $500, you get $5 daily, making it $1,000 total. And the premium package with $1,000 gives you $10 per day, totaling $2,000 in returns. Once the 2x cap is achieved, your initial capital is also refunded separately. All profits are credited to your account automatically every day, and you can earn even more through commissions and referral bonuses. IQ Tradex is designed for smart investors seeking steady, passive income with full transparency and capital protection. IQ Tradex, referral level bonus, total 20%. Are you ready to begin your journey toward financial freedom? IQ Tradex offers you an amazing opportunity to earn up to 20% referral bonus by growing your network. With our referral system, you earn both direct and indirect commissions across the following 5 levels. Level 1, 10%. Level 2, 5%. Level 3, 2%. Level 4, 2%. Level 5, 1%. This means when you refer someone, you earn 10% on their activity, level 1. And when they refer others, you continue to earn indirect bonuses up to level 5. Important note, your daily earning limit, daily capping, depends on the package you choose. However, you can increase your daily capping anytime by topping up your package. Advanced Uni-Level Plus Binary Rewards. IQ Tradex offers a powerful income opportunity through its Advanced Uni-Level Plus Binary Rewards system. Once you achieve 2,000 USDT in total sales, you unlock the Investor rank, which activates your binary structure dividing your network into two legs, a power leg and a weaker leg. The power leg typically grows automatically from your upline's efforts, while the weaker leg is where you focus on building your own team. Your daily binary income is calculated as 2% of the total sales volume in your weaker leg. For example, if your power leg A has 2,000 USDT in volume, and your weaker leg, combined from B, SHAR 1900, C, NER 500, and D, NER 1700, totals 4,100 USDT, you would earn a 2% bonus on 4,100, which equals $82. It's important to note that a minimum of 2,000 USDT in sales is required to activate and qualify for binary earnings. This system is designed to reward consistent team growth, especially in your weaker leg. And the more volume you generate there, the higher your daily income becomes. IQ Tradex is ideal for individuals who want to earn passive income by building a strong team and leveraging network growth. Leadership and rewards. IQ Tradex's leadership and reward system is designed to help you grow step by step, with increasing income and status as your team expands. The first rank is Investor, which requires $2,000 in your power leg and gives you 2% rewards from your weaker leg. Next is Titan with $4,000 in the power leg and a 2.5% reward. Then comes Pioneer with $8,000 required and 3% reward, followed by Mogul at $15,000 and 3.5%, and Manager at $30,000 with 4% rewards. The Giant rank requires $60,000 in power leg volume and gives 4.5% from your weaker leg. Moving into the top leadership levels, Strategist requires $120,000 in your power leg and offers 5% rewards. Builder needs $250,000 with 6%. And the highest rank, Visionary, requires $500,000 and gives a maximum of 7% reward from the weaker leg. The images of cars and houses shown on the rank cards represent the lifestyle goals you can achieve, meaning once you reach these top ranks, your commissions can realistically help you purchase your dream car or house. This system is not just about commissions. It's a full roadmap to financial freedom and an upgraded lifestyle through consistent effort and smart team building. Rank and rewards. IQ Tradex's Rank and Rewards plan is the world's first system where you earn rewards on your network bonus, meaning it's literally a bonus on your bonus. Unlike traditional companies that reward you based on sales or business volume, IQ Tradex has introduced an innovative system that gives you additional rewards based on the network bonus you earn. The system is structured across 7 ranks. Trust, $1,000 network bonus, $100 reward. Beacon, $3,000 network bonus, $300 reward. Haven, $10,000 network bonus, $1,000 reward. Summit, $15,000 network bonus, $1,500 reward. Noble, $25,000 network bonus, $2,500 reward. Apex, $80,000 network bonus, $8,000 reward. Prime, $150,000 network bonus, $15,000 reward. As you progress through each rank, you receive fixed cash rewards based solely on the network bonus you've accumulated. This means the more your network earns, the more rewards you receive, not just from your regular commissions, but extra rewards for achieving those milestones. This system encourages strong team building and consistent growth, and sets a new standard in the industry. Achieve more, and then now, earn on what you've already earned. Terms and conditions. Package purchase and withdrawal only with USDT TRC20. To receive all income, a minimum package must be purchased. Earning cap 2x. ROI will not be available on Saturdays and Sundays. Capital return only after earning cap 2x is reached. Binary rewards and leadership bonuses based on team volume. P2P transfer minimum, 1 USDT. P2P transfer, no fees. Minimum withdrawal, 20 USDT. Withdrawal fees. Each withdrawal will incur a 5% admin fee. Withdrawal processing. Instant and processed within 24 hours. KYC verification required before withdrawal. IB is responsible for the direct payment to the investor's wallet. Fake referrals or multiple accounts will be suspended. Fraudulent activities may result in account suspension. Thank you. Follow us on social media for daily updates and to stay connected.